Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2018 Kia Soul. On this Kia Soul, the button isn't working to unlock the door, but the light is showing up, so it's meaning that this is charged. But the door here must be that the actual car battery is dead, and that's why nothing is happening here. So first we need to get into the car, and of course this is just a standard key. And so you'll be able to twist and unlock and open the car. And then you can open up the door, and now we can pop the hood to be able to do any other things else. The hood latch, or the first latch on your vehicle, is right here to the left hand of where your knee would be. And so you pull that, and that releases the release lever up front. And so once you get up here, right here below the sign, the Kia symbol, there is a lever that you would reach right under here, and you push it up, that there. And then once you've pushed that up, then your hood will raise up, and this one will hold up on its hood supports. And so that's how you would open up your hood to be able to get into the engine bay, to be able to do work inside the engine bay. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.